Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to create some beautiful holiday glam decor. This is going to be really beautiful, guys. I'm going to be creating something for your fireplace mantle or maybe as a tabletop decor. But anyway, it's going to come out absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be using these gorgeous Christmas tree ornaments. They are varying in sizes. I'm going to be using a lot of small ones today and those larger ones that you see there. I picked these up from Amazon, and I also picked the larger one up from my local discount store. So I'm going to get started right now, and I'm going to start with the silver glittered ones. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to seal the glitter on the bulbs. I'm going to be using some of my hairspray to do that. Since I'm not allergic to my hairspray, this is what I use to seal glitter onto my projects. So as you see, I have removed the string from the bulb. I won't be using those in this project today. And then I'm going to seal the glitter onto the bulb. This is going to help reduce a lot of glitter fallout. So I'm going to allow this to dry, and while that's drying, I'm going to take these Christmas tree ornaments that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. These are as you can see, these are the snowflakes, and I've had these for a while, guys. I think I mentioned it in another video, and I really didn't like them because they didn't have a lot of, decoration or glitter. It didn't have a lot of charm for me. But anyway, I'm going to remove the string from this one as well. I'm going to use a little bit of my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue. I'm going to spread that all over the snowflake, and then I'm going to add a silvery white nail glitter, and then I'm going to let that dry as well. So I'm going to put everything together in this box. I'm going to put it to the side and I'm going to let it dry. So now I'm going to make the frame for our Christmas tree. And as you can see, I've already started tracing it out a little bit. This is a black foam board that I picked up from Amazon a few years ago. I use this as a backdrop. On the other side of this is covered with like a white contact paper, and I use it as a backdrop, but I haven't used it in years now. And so instead of throwing out the whole foam board, I decided to recycle it for this project. So I'm just going to trace out the shape of my Christmas tree, and then I'm going to refine it a little bit, and then I'm going to cut it out. So here it is, guys. It's all cut out. And it's looking a little rough around the edges there, but I'm going to fix that up and show you how neat that's going to look when I'm done. So right here is silver glittered contact paper. I got that from Amazon, and I'm going to be using this to cover up one side, the black side, and the white side is the side that I used as a backdrop when it was originally my backdrop. I use this for photograph backdrops, that white contact paper. So right now I'm going to take this silver glitter contact paper. Guys, this glitter does not shed off of the contact paper. It's sealed on it. Alright guys, I want to jump in and just say thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate you. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now that I have applied it to the foam board, I'm just going to use a little hot glue just to seal the edges of the contact paper to the foam board, just to make sure that it doesn't lift. Here is the silver diamond wrap that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut away one long strip of the diamond wrap. What I'm going to do with this is put it around the outer perimeter of the Christmas tree. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to do that. Alright guys, this came out really nice. This is the back of it. The back looks really nice, and I love the way it looks so far. Nice and neat. So now I'm going to take the glittered snowflake, and I'm going to use some hot glue and attach it to the very top of the Christmas tree. So guys, now it's time to glam out the Christmas tree, and I'm going to take these ornaments. I'm going to start with the smaller ones first. I'm going to glue them on top. So now I've continued down the tree, and I'm going to be hot gluing the medium size Christmas ornaments to the top. I'm going to continue that till I've used most of them up. And if you notice, guys, I did keep the cap that was on top of the Christmas ornament. I wanted to use that to help maybe cover some of the spaces or gaps that might be left on the tree. So I'm just going to finish it up with the larger ornaments. Now that the larger ornaments are on, I'm going to be using these small glittered balls. These are styrofoam balls that's covered with glitter, and I got those from my discount store. And I'm just going to use those to fill in the gaps. And now what I'm going to do is take the rest of the smaller Christmas tree ornaments and fill in all the empty spaces. So now that I've used almost all of them, I think it's only one left, guys, but look how nice this came out. This is so beautiful. I love the way this looks so far. I love the way this looks. So now I have some acrylic snowflakes, and these are iridescent, and these are really, really nice. I love these. And I'm going to be using these. I got these from Amazon, and I think they describe them as snowflake Christmas tree ornaments. So I'm going to be using a couple of those little tiny pieces that are on the thread there. And I'm going to be using the snowflakes as well. I'm just going to remove all that string that's there, and I'm going to hot glue them randomly around the Christmas tree. I'm going to add this last tiny little snowflake, and guys, look how beautiful this came out. So this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. I appreciate you. Happy holidays to you all. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.